I've always had dreams about some crazy life that I wanted to live. I didn't know how I was going to get there, what I was going to do, but I know that eventually that's what I'm going to want to do. And that's what I thought about for years and years. There would be so many times where I would just spend all my hours when I come home from school, whenever I have free time, just watching videos on how I can be successful, how I can get more money, how I can live a better life, something like that. Watching those videos excited me because I felt like if I did those things for a long enough time, I could actually live that dream life. But even though I never tried anything yet, I wasn't sure what to do. It felt so far away. There were so many things that felt like were stopping me. Like as I was watching those videos, I would play video games in the background while I'm listening to those videos. I would be eating Doritos. But as I was listening to one of the thousands of videos I've watched about making money, there was one thing that that person suggested in that video, and it completely changed what I was going to do for the future of my pursuingness of my dream. And in that video, he said, yeah, another thing you can do is you can make videos. It's pretty cool. Like once you have it out there, you can just keep it there forever and people can watch it even when you're sleeping, something like that. And honestly, at first when I heard it, I was like, another thing I don't want to do. There were so many things. It just had to be the perfect thing to align me for my dream. Like, honestly, I was just waiting for okay, do this one thing that's super easy and then boom, you'll get $1 million from it. And then you're living your dream life. That's what I was hoping for. So when I heard that, make videos, I wasn't too excited about it. I was like, okay, another thing I'm not doing. But then it just stuck out to me. Another thing he said, if you just make one video a week for a whole year, you would have subscribers, audience, fans, people who like you. And I thought about that more. I actually tried making videos before. I made my first video when I was 5 years old. It was something on the Nintendo Wii. And I thought it was going to get 1 billion views. It got 10. Some of them were my parents, but I thought this time, what if I just try it again? I'm not even going to, care about it too much. I'm just going to post one video and see what happens. Yeah, it's probably not going to get 1 million views, but, I might as well just try it. I'm not doing anything. It sounds kind of interesting. Okay, so I sat probably literally back there. I'm just standing further now, but I was sitting back there. I had a little piece of paper where I wrote down what I wanted to say, and I was just holding my phone in my hand, and I made the video. It took me a lot of tries, honestly. I felt it was so cringe, so weird doing it, but I still did it. And in those 30 seconds that I filmed that video, might have been one of the best 30 seconds of my life, because after I post that video, I just think that wasn't horrible at all. That wasn't bad. That wasn't that hard. I just speak to myself outside where no one can hear me or even see me. And if I just do that for a year, I'm going to get money from it and stuff. It just blew my mind. Why haven't I done this earlier? But I still haven't had any success yet, so I'm still thinking about it. And what I end up doing is I post a video on my phone, and the video doesn't get 10 views. It doesn't get 100 views. The video didn't blow up. It got 150 views, which was a lot more than the Nintendo Wii video I made 11 years ago. And I was like, oh wow, that's cool actually, people watched this video. Let me make another video. And then a day passes, a week passes where I could have made another video, I didn't make one. 2 weeks pass, 3 weeks pass, and I finally realized, okay, I probably should make another video. So it's another 30-ish second video I make really quickly, just holding my phone. I'm still extremely shy and nervous of the camera. I just hated my face. I hated just the whole vibe of the video. I didn't really like it. But I still did it. I still posted it. And this time it didn't get 150 views. It got 10 views. Not a lot of views. So it was even harder for me to make my next video, and that also took another month. But when I posted that third video, I wanted to keep going because this thing has allowed me to actually feel like I'm doing something in my life. Really, think about that. Doing something in my life. It gave me a reason to wake up. It gave me something to do when I'm at home. Instead of watching videos, learning things I can do to make money or be successful, it can actually be something that I do. I learn so much more from actually doing something than watching other people win and succeed. Try stuff. So, after my third video, it doesn't do well again. But this time, I'm actually hooked. I think to myself, okay, I am not stopping. I'm going to upload from now on every day. It's summertime now. So I started in the spring. Now it's summer. I have so much more free time. I don't have school. So I can wake up in the morning and then I don't have to go to school. I can spend all of those 8 hours working on my videos, trying to come up with things, learn things, get ideas. I was hooked. I was hooked on something for once that wasn't video games. That wasn't scrolling on my phone all the time. It was actually something like a work, some type of job that I like doing. So I upload daily for so long. Upload, and I'm not stopping until I get a video that does well. And by the way, this whole time I'm at 1 subscriber, and this 1 subscriber was me on my other account subscribing to my channel. So I had 0 subs, 0 comments, 0 likes, just some views of some people who probably accidentally clicked the video and then just left, didn't care. But yeah, after I upload some more and more videos, I get my first comment. And then, whoa, someone liked this video? Someone subscribed? I have another subscriber? I have 1 subscriber. That is sick. Then I have to go to sleep. I wake up and I have 41 subscribers. Okay, something happened in my videos, and I look at one of my videos, it has 2,000 views. That is insane. 2,000 people watched one of my videos. So I feel like it was kind of hard. Like, okay, I got the little win. I got some success from YouTube. Am I done? Like, do I feel like, oh, I reached my dream, I reached my goal of having a YouTube? And the hard part is that I post more videos, but they don't get thousands of views. It's the same, like 10, 100 views. But I'm getting a bit more views now. So I just keep doing it. Keep doing it for long and long and long and long. And then eventually, I just do it for so much time, and almost a year actually passes. I've just ingrained this little habit, which, by the way, probably took me 30 minutes in total to film the video, to edit it, to publish it. 30 minutes to, 2 hours in total. I got more efficient as time went on. So this little habit I've spent, like this hobby, I've just been able to do for so long. And then, yeah, so a lot of time passes, and it's October, so it's like coming into fall, about to be winter and then spring again. I'm sitting at 1,600 subscribers just from posting every single day. I literally posted every single day, maybe even twice a day. Just how much I cared about this YouTube thing. And then when spring hits again, when I started my channel, so it's like a 1-year anniversary thing, I post another video and it doesn't get 2,000 views. It doesn't get 100 views. It doesn't get 10 views. It gets 100,000 views. And this is where I'm like, okay, what is going on? This is unheard of. I always thought about getting more and more views. And then I finally get it. It finally pays off. A video I made went well, performed well. So many people like what I'm saying, like what I'm doing, and they subscribe. And then I make a video similar about that, and then it gets 500,000 views. And then I make more and more videos, and then more and more people are liking my videos. I make another one, it gets 60,000 views, 100,000 views, 400,000 views, blah, 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 blah. You know, you get it. I get built so much momentum, and it's so quick. All of this happens so fast. From spring of when I got that first video that got 100,000 views to the summertime, I blew up. Like, the difference between me now, when I was back then just begging for 1 subscriber, and now I get that, like, I don't know, every hour, minute, I don't know exactly, but just the amount of change that was able to happen just because I started to do something, just something. Make a 30-second video, make a minute video, try something that I think is interesting every single day and commit to that, be consistent. Not only did I just get some views and subscribers, but I also started making money. I also started feeling a lot better about myself. Felt like I could do more. I felt more confident. I felt like I can actually get stuff done in my life, and I believed in myself so much more. Because of the videos I've been making, like, you know, live a healthier life, wake up early, stuff like that. It motivated myself to do that too. It held myself accountable. The wind is crazy. Oh my gosh. Alright, but I hope you like the environment of this video so far, by the way. If you like the vibe, consider subscribing. It's about to be 2 years where I had my channel. I'm getting close to hitting 100,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna have a plaque with my name on it in my room, just showing the work that I did. Isn't that amazing? That the fact that I can visualize that and imagine that actually happening. So it's a really cool story of how I grew my YouTube channel, but why does it matter? It matters because I want to share some things I actually learned throughout the grind, the struggle of this channel, and what you can do for your own goals. And the first thing which surprised me the most is that it happens a lot sooner than you think. I just treated the first video that did well for me as another video I uploaded, which I thought was interesting, and then it did well. So if you just spend more time being consistent, putting the work in, you're going to luck out on something. You're going to get more lucky the more times you do something. And the mindset I had for so long, which kept me going and made me not quit, was just try to do something every day. And honestly, it was fine if I didn't even do something one day, which were very few times, but I just knew that because I was so motivated about this, if I just try to do something every single day, that it's going to help me if I stay consistent. Like, remember, it took me months to upload my first videos, but as soon as I just tried to process it and make it a part of my life, then I started doing it a lot more, and just that consistency got me to where I'm at right now. Like, I didn't make any massive changes to my videos or what I said exactly. It was just because I kept doing it, and then eventually something is gonna happen. I didn't think about if I would succeed, if I would have a good YouTube channel, if I would achieve my dreams. It would just be, when would I achieve my dreams? When would I get 100,000 subscribers? Will it be in a year, in a month? When will I live my dream life? Will it be in 5 years? Will it be in 1? Will it be in 10 years? I'm not thinking if it would happen. I'm just thinking when. Because I already know the things that I'm doing, whether it's a ego thing or not. I already know the things I'm going to do are going to lead me to my dream life. So it's just having that positive mindset towards yourself that you can actually do stuff. Just gives you an extra layer of protection and proof towards like being lazy, not doing the things that are good for you. Like, I don't like when people say, oh, my dream car is this. I don't like to think of it as a dream car. I like to think of it as a reality car, because it's like, I feel like I'm gonna get that car. It's just when. It's gonna be a reality. It's not a dream. It's not like something in my imagination. It's something I'm thinking about, which is going to happen. It is going to happen. It's not a dream. It's not a fake fantasy land in a different world. It's gonna happen in this life. That's what I like to think about for my goals, my dreams, my aspirations. It's gonna happen. It's just when. You are what you believe yourself to be. You are what you believe yourself to be. You can and you will. Everything happens for a reason. There's a reason why it's a struggle, because the person you have to become to get that thing helps a lot. I might be just yapping right now, but the time is gonna pass anyway. It's gonna be a week, a month, a year is gonna pass before you even know it. I've just been uploading videos. Oh my gosh, it's almost already had my channel for 2 years. The time is gonna pass anyways. And I don't remember what happened last year of this day, but I have something now to show for it. The time is gonna pass anyway. You're gonna forget a lot of stuff, but you can take things from those days and have it show right now. Like, having this YouTube channel shows what I've been doing for the past year and a half. Having a good physique shows what you've been doing for the past years. All of that stuff. It shows what you've been doing in your life. And whether you've been making good choices or bad choices, you'll know. It's so worth it, and I hope this story just makes you want to not give up on your dreams, because it is possible, it is doable, and I know you can do it. So, goodbye, peace. Hope you enjoyed the snow. Hope you're warm.